Mobility has become smart. While cars already communicate with each other, sustainable mobility is still being discussed. TST Electronics has been focusing on innovative environmental technologies for 20 years.
The TST Vapour Recovery Systems provide a two-layer environmental protection. On one hand, emission reduction at gas stations, and on the other hand, of course, resource conservation.
Generally, no one notices the developments that have been made and what has happened at gas stations in recent years.
The consumer immediately notices at the pump that a TST Vapour Recovery System is activated.
You may have noticed that suddenly gas stations no longer smell like gasoline, making it more pleasant to stay at gas stations. On the other hand, there is a positive effect in that the carcinogenic vapors are no longer inhaled. As soon as a refueling process begins, our TST Vapour Recovery System sucks in the gasoline vapors that come out of the car's tank and returns them to the underground tank.
This intelligent system also prevents too much pressure from entering the underground tank, thereby avoiding problems at the gas stations. The TST Vapour Recovery Systems have another environmental aspect, as the Vapour Plus system offers maintenance-free operation, runs very stably in the long term, and thus requires minimal service intervention.
The installation of the new intelligent TST Vapour Recovery Systems is simple and maintenance-free.
TST has established itself in the global market by not only complying with legal requirements, but also not only are they dictated by environmental conferences, such as Kyoto or Paris, but also by stable and reliable systems. This combination has achieved very positive effects in the global market, ensuring that TST Electronics will continue to grow in the market in the future.
Environmental protection means for me to pay attention to our resources on this earth and to handle them responsibly.
Environmental protection is important because it secures not only our own future, but also the future of the following generations.
Therefore, the industry must take a closer look and address small problems. Sometimes it's the little things that make a big difference.
TST is indirectly oriented, pioneering, and very often innovative, future-oriented, and sustainable.
TST Electronics. For an environmentally friendly and sustainable future,